My name is Anna Babczyńska-Staszewska and I am a dentist from Poland. In recent years, I have specialized in treating white spots. I have defended a doctoral dissertation on this topic and currently in my practice we serve mostly patients with discolorations on their teeth. My workflow consists of teeth whitening, and after this process is completed, I carry on icon infiltration. By whitening teeth before icon infiltration, I achieve better and more predictable treatment results. Recently, I have begun using 3D printed trays, which allow me to work significantly faster. I send STL files with scans using DentaMile Creator to HubLab. My dental technician designs whitening trays in DentaMile and then prints them in 3D Emacs printer. This procedure is simple, efficient and predictable because of DentaMile software. Those whitening trays are more precise and more comfortable for patients to wear. Striving for excellence in dental care, I continue to innovate and adapt latest technologies, ensuring my patients always receive the best treatment possible.